Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VYST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement on this one, not only from a price action perspective, but definitely above average volume the past few days. I mean, volume could definitely improve, don't get me wrong, but it's the volume has definitely picked up pace, and the price action obviously has gone along with it. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above that breakout point there at 0035. Now, with that being said, if the price does drop below 0035, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, so this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0035 would be great. However, grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing complicated here at all. It's just essentially where the party stopped, and that's up here at 0046. Now, granted, I get it several times. The price did peek its head up above 0046, but I think we'd all agree the main point of price congestion is right around that area. And until the price can not only get above 0046, but then also be able to stay up above it, that's going to be the key break point there. But all in all, I mean, resistance levels really don't matter on this one. Why do I say that? Well, it's, the price has already been doing what does matter, and what matters is, well, right here. As long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, and if you want to picture those as stair steps, so as long as those higher bases continue to be built, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So main focus should really be just building higher lows, going through healthy consolidations, and you can just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.